Today we're making coffee cake in the air fryer, and we're using a secret ingredient to make sure it's incredibly moist: sour cream. Start by chopping up 1 cup of pecans. Then, in a small bowl, mix together 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and set that aside. Now, in a large bowl, whip together a 1/2 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of softened butter until it's nice and creamy. Add an egg and mix it in. Then add a 1/2 cup of sour cream and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix again. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture half at a time, mixing just until everything's combined. Now, grease an 8-inch baking pan and spread half of the batter into the bottom. Sprinkle on half of our cinnamon sugar and pecans, and spread the rest of the batter over the top into an even layer. Finish it off with the rest of our cinnamon sugar and those pecans. Place the pan into an air fryer preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 35 minutes. And look at that! Beautifully golden around the edges, toasted and nutty on top, and look at the inside. Soft, tender, and incredibly moist. That sour cream definitely did its job. Now hit that like and subscribe button and check back next Thursday for another easy air fryer recipe.